Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back. In Part 2, we continue exploring low-touch assembly in Japanese cars and focus on the methods, technologies, and trade-offs shaping factories in 2026. Low-touch assembly is a response to that pressure. Fewer manual decisions. Fewer chances to drift from the standard. Faster training for new hires. The core low-touch assembly methods Japanese carmakers use now. Low-touch methods show up as a set of choices that work together. One change reduces handling. Another reduces mistakes. Another keeps parts flowing so people are not walking, lifting, and searching. Most Japanese carmakers and tier suppliers use a similar toolbox. Machine vision. Presence sensors. Torque tools that capture data. Collaborative robots. AGVs or AMRs for delivery. Digital work instructions that update by model and trim. Modular and pre-assembled parts. Fewer steps on the main line. Modular assembly moves complex work off the main line and into a controlled pre-assembly area. The goal is fewer line side parts and fewer tiny installs at the vehicle. Common modules include front-end assemblies, cockpit modules, seat sets, sections of wiring harness, and for EVs, battery packs with pre-checked fasteners and seals. Kitting often goes with modules. Instead of a worker picking from many bins, the parts arrive as a kit matched to the build. Right-hand drive versus left-hand drive. Trim level. Option package. That cuts wrong part installs and reduces hunt time, which is wasted motion that also tires people out. Collaborative robots and smart tools that guide and then verify. Collaborative robots are often used for assist work, not full replacement. They can hold a part in place, position a component, run a bead of sealant, or do pick and place so the worker can focus on alignment and finish. Smart torque tools are a quiet hero of low-touch assembly. The tool confirms the right bolt, the right angle, and the right torque. If the spec is not met, it stops the step and flags it before the car moves on. Results are recorded, which helps with trace back when an issue shows up later. The payoff is simple. Fewer loose fasteners. Fewer stripped threads. Fewer "we will fix it at end of line" moments. Machine vision and in-line checks. Catching errors right away. Cameras and sensors check what human eyes can miss when the line is moving. Vision systems confirm connectors are seated, clips are present, labels match the build, and gaps sit within a set range. Sensors confirm a part is present, a seal is in place, or a connector latch is fully engaged. This style of checking supports the same basic idea. Stop small issues early. Instead of letting a missed connector travel down the line, the station catches it and prompts a fix while access is still easy. Many plants tie these checks to the vehicle ID, so quality teams can see patterns by shift, part batch, or station without turning the line into paperwork. Material flow with AGVs and touchless parts delivery. Low-touch assembly also depends on how parts move. Automated guided vehicles and autonomous mobile robots deliver racks and kits to the right spot at the right time. That reduces walking and lifting, and it keeps aisles clearer and safer. On the picking side, pick-to-light systems or screen-guided picking reduce mix-ups. The worker sees exactly what to grab and where it goes, which matters more on mixed model lines where the next car might look similar but need a different bracket or harness. When material flow is right, the line feels calmer. Fewer rushed grabs. Fewer damaged parts. Fewer last-minute part chases. Low-touch assembly shows how Japanese automakers balance automation and human skill to build better vehicles with fewer mistakes. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more industry insights. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.